Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. Does your cat like to be up high, to look out the window, or have a lot of different things to scratch on? Well, this cat tree from Yaheetech is fantastic. My cat loves this cat tree because the fabric is soft and plush. The beds all have a nice comfy padding so that when she wants to sleep on it, it's nice and comfy for her. The cat tree has 3 different toys hanging on each of the beds so that she has a spot that she can play, and it has many different scratch pads so that she can go to town on it. It's also cool that this cat tree has a cat bed pouch that you can move and swivel to any position that you want, and then they have a little spot that they can hang out on. When I was setting this up, it was very simple to set up. Even simple that the cat wants to get in and help you. I like that this cat tree is nice and high up so that when my cat wants to look out the window, she can go up high on different tiers and look outside and just have her nice cat TV of the squirrels and the birds. So if your cat is looking for a nice cat tree, then this is the one definitely to take a look at. But that's my point of view.